guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in a challenge hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine, and it is her monthly creating treasure from trash. And I am going to be using some of the wood that we have left over from cutting down some cedars. So if you are not familiar with this challenge, you're supposed to take something that you were going to throw out and create something nice for your home. Casey does this every month, and I will have her channel as well as the playlist linked down below, so make sure you check it out. So here are some of the wood pieces that we'll be using. I also have a couple different saws and scissors, sorry for the shadow. And then I have some jute rope and some scissors, pen, X-Acto knife, and hot glue, and an extension cord. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my wood for assembling. So the first thing that I do is I cut off these little branches that are sticking out of the wood, out of this long branch, and then I also cut one of them just so they're approximately the same length. Then I take the smaller pieces of wood and cut them into the same size. As you can see, I have a helper here, and so I cut them so they're the same length. And then I take the jute rope and I just cut off a couple pieces because I will be using them to secure the middle parts of the ladder, because I am making a ladder, if you haven't figured that one out yet. I had glued the middle pieces to the longer pieces just so they stay in place while I attach the rope. This wasn't an easy task. I had to redo it several times, but I did end up getting it secured. So here it is. You can use it as a lattice for some of your plants to grow up on, or you can plant some herbs and put them in these little hanging baskets. I had these laying around from a dollar store, and I'm just wanted to show you how it could look. I want to thank Casey for hosting this challenge, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future DIYs. So make sure you check out Casey's channel as well as the playlist, and I hope you guys are staying safe, and until next time, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.